What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing the Spider-Man Scarlet Spider 2 suit from Spider-Man PS4. Now the first thing we're going to do is start with the eyes. Let's move to the center of our page and draw two short lines side by side. So we'll draw one on the left and then one on the right. Now from the top, so we want to draw one short angled line going out towards the sides. Let's work our way up towards the top of the eyes. From the left, we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the top. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. We want to match up the height on both sides. Now we're going to curl in the top corners of the eye. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curl this around and let's pull that in. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we want to connect the top towards the inside of the eye with a large half circle. So let's start at the very top on the left. Just going to curve around the bottom of the eye, come down. Now I'm just going to pull that up towards the inside of the eye. And we're going to do the same thing on the right. Let's start on the inside, come down towards the same height that we have on the left, go up. I just want to pull this up towards the top. Now I want to show that these eyes are curved, so we're going to add a glare along the outside edge. So let's start at the top on the left, we curve around, come down, just blend in towards the bottom of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right in the opposite direction. Start at the very top, curve out, down, and then just pull that in. Let's move to the outside and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, and start with a point, and draw a large half circle. We come down towards the bottom of the chin, round this out, and come up towards the right side. We want to line up the right and left side. Now let's draw on the top of the head. We start back on the left side. We're just going to bump out the side of the head, going out, coming up towards the top, round up the top of the head, and come down towards the right side. Just pulling that in towards the top of the cheek. And then from the top of the cheek, we're going to add a stitch line, going up and in towards the eye, so a slight curve. Now let's move down and draw on the sides of the body. Over on the left side, just underneath the head, we're going to curve out and then down towards the hip. Go over towards the right and do the same thing, curving out and then down towards the same height. And then from the hips, we're going to angle down and in towards the center point. Let's start on the left, we're going to draw a straight angled line coming down and in, and then back up towards the right. Now I'm going to step up and draw that same angled line, coming in towards the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Leaving a gap in the center, we're going to go to the left side, we'll curve out and then down towards the left heel, move to the right, and curve out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, we're going to curve down and up towards the toe, and we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw on the top of the foot. From the toe, we're going to draw a curve going up and then down. We're going to pull this in just up above the heel. So we go up, it's almost like drawing a half circle, curving down and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving up towards the top of the foot and pulling that down and in. Now let's draw on the sole of the boot. From the tip of the foot, we're going to step up, we're going to draw a curve, coming down, I'm just going to hook that back up, and we're going to go all the way across towards the heel. Come down, we're just going to pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the tip of the foot, we'll step up, curve down, and pull that up. I'm going to pull this all the way in towards the inside of the foot. Come down, and then back up. And then from this point, I want to curve up and then in towards the top of the foot. Let's move back up to the hips and draw on the side of the leg. Let's start on the left hip. We're going to curve out the leg, round it out, and then just pull that in on top of the foot. And do the same thing on the right, curving out and then pulling that in. Let's add some details to the leg. From the top of this curve, we're going to follow the same curve of the leg going out and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming out and up towards the same height. We'll draw an angled line going up and out towards the side of the leg. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. We start about halfway down the side of the body. So right here we're going to curve out and then down towards the wrist. We'll line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the thumb. We start with a half circle, curving in and then back out. Now from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to curve up and in towards the top of the thumb. Let's do the same thing on the right. Draw that half circle, and then we'll close off the inside, going up and then in. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start on the left side, just underneath the thumb, curve down and then up the first finger. Let's step down, curve down and up the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to start out here, we curve out, pull this up. Now we're going to curve this in behind the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the first finger, second, now the third. We're going to go all the way around and pull that up in behind the head. Now let's separate out the fingers. From the top of this line, we're going to curve down and up towards the thumb. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with that same curve, and then the same thing on the outside finger. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the wrist. I'm going to draw a curve going up and then out on both sides. Now we're going to move back up and draw the trim around the shoulders. In the center, just underneath the chin, we'll step down. Start with a point. From this point, we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the left underneath the head. Go back to the center and go up and out towards the right. Now I'm going to draw that same angled line just on the outside. I'm going to leave a little gap in between, coming in. We're just going to bring it down toward the same height that we have in the center. And then from the inside, we're going to draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the shoulder. And we want to angle this line just up above the side of the body. Now from the top of the body, we're going to draw that same angled line going about halfway. Going out to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right side. And then we're going to leave a small gap and then continue that line out toward the side of the arm. And then from the end of that first line, I'm going to curve this out and then down. And then we'll draw a straight angled line going in behind the body. Going up and then in. Now I'm going to go to the outside line and follow that same curve coming down. And then we're going to angle this up and out towards the side of the arm. Now from this bottom point, I want to follow the same curve of the arm, going about halfway down the forearm. We'll do the same thing on the right side. And then we'll curve this down and in towards the inside of the arm. Let's add that trim along the side of the body. Starting from the top, we're going to angle down and in with a short line. And we'll follow the same curve of the body, coming all the way down towards the belt. Now we're going to continue this trim underneath the belt. We're going to follow the same curve of the leg going out and then down. Then we're going to angle this up and out towards the side of the leg. Now we're going to add a simple spider logo in the center of the chest. So in the middle, let's start with a point. From this point, I'm going to angle down and out towards the left and then the right. Let's draw the first set of legs. We'll angle up and out, a short line, and we'll go up and in. Now from the top, I want to curve out and then down. Just tapering this line, and then we'll follow that same angle coming down and in towards the body. Let's draw on the second set. From the inside, we're going to angle up and out. Now here we're going to curve this up and in towards the top of the legs. And then again, we're going to taper this out and down. And then we'll pull this back in towards the body. Now we're going to draw on the bottom legs. It's basically taking these legs and flipping it over. So let's start from the inside. We're going to angle out and then down towards the sides. And then we'll curve the legs down and then in. Just up above the belt. And then again, we're just going to taper this back up. And then pull that in towards the body. Draw the last set of legs, angling down and out towards the sides. Angle down and in. And again, we're going to taper this back up. And then from the inside of the leg, we're going to come down and in towards the center point. And that's pretty much it. There's a Scarlet Spider 2 suit from Spider-Man PS4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.